Has someone you love crossed over and you feel blinded by grief, like you can't see things clearly? Maybe everything looks black, or it's frozen, or it's moving. There's no right or wrong. Double tap if you can relate to any of this. I'm an art therapist, and I'm going to share a very quick practice that's hopefully going to help you see more clearly, even just in this moment. I'm Elizabeth, and this little practice is something we call just getting it out in line, shape, and color. So grab any piece of paper you have and any colored pencils or colored markers or colored Sharpies, whatever it's easy to find right now in this moment, and then we'll get started. So line, shape, and color means exactly that. What I want you to do is just draw on your paper or color, line, shape, and color. There is no right or wrong to this, and no right and wrong to any art therapy practice. And as you're doing this, if you can tune into your pain or your grief, or notice where it is in your body, you can press harder, you can press softer, you can write words, you can make noises, whatever feels right for you in the present moment. Line, shape, and color. You may even see something that helps you understand what's going on for you in your grief in this moment. And keep going until you feel done. Here's my image. And the invitation now is to kind of look at it and kind of reflect back to yourself what the colors mean to you. What are your associations to any of the shapes? Is there anything in here that reminds you of your loved one, even in an abstract way? Maybe you wrote words. Again, there's no right or wrong, but by simply doing this practice and expressing what is so painful and too painful to say on paper in line, shape, and color, you might just feel, at least for now, that you can see more clearly. So I hope that helped. Please share in the comments whatever you thought of this little practice, or even share your art if you're moved to do that. Like and follow for more art therapy and grief healing. And as always, from my heart to yours, a big namaste.